Whenever you are working on a spreadsheet that has considerably large data sets, not so large, but whatever data set that you're working on that requires you to scroll left and to scroll right across the data, there are times when you want to do such operations while ensuring that you are able to see the top line while still scrolling. What do I mean by that? So if I keep on scrolling down on this data set, for example, you are going to see that at some point I can no longer see the headers, right? So I'm currently looking at this range, but I don't know exactly what I'm looking at. Like, what's the header? What's here? What is here? What do I have here? So anytime you know you want to use your spreadsheet or you want to use your Excel worksheet and you need to keep certain lines of that worksheet fixed, you want to have them fixed, you want to have them showing every single time you are working within the sheet and you have to scroll, then you know you need to freeze panes. So how are we going to freeze the panes now? So let me scroll back up. So if you go to the View tab on the worksheets, you are going to see an area for freeze panes. Now, this freeze panes area, you need to know how it works, because the way it works is that we are working on a spreadsheet that has left to right and top to bottom layout. Okay, so there's a left to right and there is a top to bottom layout. So when you want to use the freeze panes, you have to make sure that you freeze the panes as at the place you want to get fixed. So for example, if I want to fix this row number 1 now, then I have to stay on row number 2 to use my freeze panes, right? So I need to stay somewhere on row number 2 like this. Then I'll go to freeze panes and I'm going to select freeze panes. So when I do that, even if I scroll down, you will see that the header row still remains. Okay. Now, in case you want to freeze a column on the left in such a way that, you know, when you keep on scrolling to the right, you still want to see something on the left. So for example, now, you know, if I scroll to the right now, then I can no longer see the person's staff ID. And when I keep scrolling, I can no longer see the staff ID. So if I want to keep seeing the staff ID, then remember the workbook layout is left to right and top to bottom. So anything you fix basically is going to affect what you have before it. So I want to fix row number 1, I'm going to stay on row number 2 to use freeze panes. If I want to freeze column 1, I need to make sure that I'm on the second column for me to freeze the panes. If I want to fix the 2 columns, I have to be on the third column for me to freeze panes. So typically, the most common type of freezing of panes that you are going to find is when somebody just stays on the second row and the second column, meaning that I'm going to fix row 1 and I'm going to fix column 1 as well, so that when I scroll down, the header will continue to show. If I scroll down now, the header doesn't show, and when I scroll right, the first column will continue to show. When I scroll now, the first column basically is not showing. So I'm going to stay on row 2, column 2, which means fix everything above, fix everything to the left. So if I go to my freeze panes now, I'm going to click on freeze panes, and no matter how much I scroll down, the headers will continue to show, and no matter how I scroll to the right, the staff ID will also continue to show up.